Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and this is a much anticipated recipe video. Today I'm going to be making sweet potato chocolate nice cream. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is half a cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my homemade walnut milk, which you can find above. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now I find this to be the perfect amount of sweetness, but if you want yours to be a little sweeter, you can always add some more. And then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of a unsweetened cocoa powder. And then our key ingredient is 2 perfectly cooked sweet potatoes that I have chopped and frozen overnight. If you wanna see how I cook and freeze them, that link will be above. Now to get started, all we're going to need to do is to use a food processor, a blender, really anything that's gonna get things going. I love using my Ninja Auto IQ food processor, so let's get started. The first thing we're gonna need to do is open up our food processor. Now I like to add all my ingredients in other than the sweet potatoes first. So we're going to add in our cocoa powder, our 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, half a cup of a plant-based milk, and then the key ingredient, we're going to add in 2 perfectly cooked and frozen sweet potatoes. Now we're going to process this for roughly around 45 seconds. I like to start on low and then work my way up. So we processed for just under a minute, and what we have inside is a perfectly creamy sweet potato chocolate nice cream. Now I'm going to get things cleaned up in the kitchen, and I'm going to get a dish bowled up. I'll see you when that is done. All right, I just got done cleaning up the food processor and tidying up in the kitchen, and now it is time to try this chocolate sweet potato nice cream. If you guys know me, you know 2 of my favorite things are sweet potatoes and nice cream, and now they're in one dish. That is so great. Now I got asked quite a few questions in anticipation for this video. Isn't it gonna be grainy? Aren't the sweet potatoes not gonna mix well? The key is that you cook them perfectly through. Again, watch that video of how I cook my sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot for this recipe especially, because if you don't, yes, it will be a little grainy, but this right here is super creamy, super delicious, extremely decadent, but also super healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I will see you guys very soon.